All right, look what we got in the mail. So let's actually, this came today, but I think when it came, I was returning the wheels that I borrowed from my friend, and I was doing like a little mini photo shoot cinematic thing that obviously you guys saw in the last video. But there it is. Basically what I ordered is I think all BMWs after like 2005 or something came with these. They're called jack pads. So basically at all the jacking points on the side of the car, they have these, and what happens over the years is they get chewed up because of people will jack them up incorrectly without the there's like a jack plate that you put in these to prevent them from getting chewed up, which also came with this kit, which is why I got it, because although I am a very loyal customer of Mashimaro. He makes a lot of products for BMWs, especially for the E90 chassis, E9X chassis, really. The reason I went with this kit instead of his is because they cost about the same for all four, but this one comes with one of these metal jack plates that go inside the actual jack pad. So give me one sec. Basically, as you can see, nothing special, just that subtle ECS tuning branding out here. But anyways, you put this on your jack, and then as you're jacking up the car, this goes over that rectangular piece, and basically it looks like that, and it's more efficient. And let me show you what my old jack pads look like. So basically, when I finally got the wheels and tires mounted, I'll show you that in another clip. But anyways, the jack pad actually came off because it's in such terrible condition, and it probably hasn't been replaced since the car has been built. It's been 12 years. So it was definitely time for an upgrade, and because of the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, I got this whole kit for I think like $62 and free shipping. So it was a smashing deal. Anyways, I'm in my garage right now. I'll also do an update on what I did to this. And how much it's changed since the beginning of the year. It's like night and day, literally, especially with these lights. That was disgusting. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the old jack pads and install the new ones. Not many people know how. It's actually very simple. It would take like 5-10 minutes tops. You don't even need to jack up your car. If you have clearance under it. I'm not gonna jack it up. I'm just gonna use those ramps over there and do them on all four sides. So we will cut to that now. What's up, guys? I just got home from work, and I haven't installed the jack pads yet because I was waiting on another package, and might as well just put the jack pads to use, right? So basically, this is what I got today. Alright, so as you can see, I have the jack pads and the jack pad adapter on the left, and I just bought a wheel stud conversion from Mashimaro. So at first I thought he made these, but I guess this is the company that makes them. So here is their information. I'll also link Mashimaro's website and all the products that I've got from his website. But anyways, yeah, so most of you may know European cars, they do not use lug nuts, they use lug bolts. So I am going to be changing those out because one, I don't think these lug bolts are deep enough for the wheels, and two, it's very annoying getting your hands and like knees dirty whenever you have to put the wheel back on. You have to line it up with the hole and then put in the bolt. With these, I can just put it on the stud, and then I can tighten them with the lug nuts, and that's what I like most about like Asian cars. It just makes it simple. I don't know why European cars have that, but yeah. So I'm gonna be installing these with the jack pads at the same time. What I don't know is I asked one of the guys at Mashimaro if these were locking lug nuts. I thought that like one of them would be different from the other, and like they gave me this special tool. Let me see if I can put it under the light. Here, let me get another light. So like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like it's not a normal like hex bolt pattern. It's like a hold on a second. Okay, yeah, there. It's like some like star pattern, right? And like the lug nuts fit inside it perfectly, right? So like at first I thought that, oh yeah, no one could take my wheels off without this tool. But I tried out a 17 millimeter socket, and they fit snugly on these. So I mean, the OEM lug bolts, they use a 17 millimeter socket. So I mean, if someone really wanted to, they could use a 17 millimeter. And I don't know, I'm probably gonna get locking ones down the road because I just don't want anyone to take my wheels. And the OEM BMW ones, they come with locking lug bolts that use a special socket for it. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna install these for you guys now. We are about to start this now. It's gonna get kind of dark, so we're gonna try to shine as much light as possible, but yeah, we're gonna do this now. So we're gonna set you guys down on the time lapse, and yeah, so okay, so we just torqued these down. When you're doing it at first, put thread locker, and then you're gonna screw in the short end into your rotor. I'll show you one that I haven't done yet later. But once you do that, you hand tighten until you can't tighten anymore, and then you get a torque wrench, and then torque these down to 25 foot-pounds. And then since we're finished with that, I'm gonna install the new jack pad now. Which looks like this. It's very simple to do. So give me 1 second. Let me find a way to set this up for you. Alright, so as you can see, those are the old chewed up jack pads, and you just see like a flathead or any type of something you got to it's held down by 2 tabs. They are up here, so basically you just pry it out, and then you can take it out and put the new one in. So I'm gonna set you guys down and do that right now. Alright, so we got it out. That took forever. Let me go put the new one in. So basically that's what it looks like. It's held on by the middle piece and the 2 hooks at the end. Here is the old jack pad. So yeah, as you can see, I broke it because it's really hard to get off, but that's what it looks like. Let me go get the new one. As you can see, this is in great condition. Look at that. Anyways, I'm gonna go put in the new one, so give me 1 second. Alright, so anyways, here's the new one. It's all perfect and it just looks great. All you have to do is just you stick it in, and I think you just alright, we are good to go. Brand new jack pads. Let's get it. As you can see,
Basically the lug nuts are in. I haven't torqued them down yet, but it's looking so sick. It was like 5 times easier for me to put the wheel on, but yeah, I'm gonna do the rear wheels too, so give me a second. Okay, so basically you just get some thread locker, the stud, and then you just rub it on the short end of the stud, right? Sorry if the lighting's kind of bad, but anyways, yeah, you do that, and then you're going to hand tighten it into the rotor until you can't tighten it anymore. And then after that is when we torque it down with the torque wrench. Alright, so good news and bad news. So this one, as I was torquing it down, I was at a certain angle and the head got stripped. It's not bad. I can put in a bigger head and still like loosen it and tighten it, but I'm probably gonna get a replacement for that one. That's not the one that I have my head shaking with. The one that I have my head shaking with is, as I was torquing this one down, the Allen head broke inside of it. So don't over torque it, and also don't have cheap tools, because I don't exactly remember where I got this Allen head socket set, but yeah, make sure the tools are quality, because I have to deal with that now and I actually don't know what to do. So yeah, I'll have to do some research on how to get that out. Never mind. I got it out. So your boy has like 400 IQ, and basically, since I was torquing it down, and that's when the Allen head broke in half, I chiseled it in the direction where you would loosen it, so now it can move freely. I'm just gonna get it out with a magnet. Yo, who has 500 IQ? Look at this. I am actually Einstein. But anyways, yeah, I don't think I need to replace this. It's not stripped. Those are just the chisel marks, because I was doing this in the dark and I didn't notice that I was actually chiseling this instead of the broken head. But anyways, we move. I got it to go through though, so that's what's up. Okay, actually, let me just double check. No, it's fine. It's still snug fitment. It's not stripped. Yeah, so that's the good thing. Anyways, I'm just gassed that we got it out. So yeah, that's my video for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace out.